Dude, the downshifts are so fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right here?
Yeah, so just hit it. Right where it's on.
Holy shit. Jeez.
The normal road noise?
Yeah. So this is in normal mode?
Yeah, everything's normal right now.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick normal and then switch it to sport for a bit in the city, and then on the highway we'll do like the same thing. So like do both.
Yeah.
Alright, let's put into sport mode.
I personally go straight to Sport Plus.
Okay.
Personally. So double click it.
Holy shit. Dude, second is insane.
Yeah. You're gonna go through first in a blink of an eye, just FYI.
Alright. Does it have 8 gears?
8, yep.
Let's do some tunnel action. Dude, the downshifts are so fast.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I gotta go to the other side. Alright, let's just go on the road. can start heading there now. Wait, so in the canyons, do you usually stay in fourth or third?
I mean, it depends on the corner, but usually it's third and fourth. You know, on the tighter twisty bits. Yeah. Yeah, it's almost between third and fourth.
Put it in normal mode. Let's see how it rides.
There is like ever so slight drone if you keep the throttle under load type thing now. Before it was like absolutely quiet. You hear no noise.
Oh yeah, I feel
ever so slightly when you're under load, but when you're letting off or like you're just really coasting, it's not there. And obviously, if you put music on, it's not really prevalent.
Yeah.
I turned off the there's active noise in the BMWs that pump fake noise into the speakers.
Yeah.
I turned that completely off.
Yeah, you don't need it. Oh yeah, you can feel it like right now the vibration, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what. I feel like the drone is not bad. It's just there's like a little bit of vibration. You can just feel it when you're sitting.
Yeah.
But I think it's acceptable though for daily driving.
No, it's completely fine. I'd like to see when you let off there and you're really just holding pace.
Yeah.
Load, it's not even prevalent.
Yeah. That is.
I'd almost say back off just a little bit, put it in Sport Plus, and then do a pool.
Okay. Should we go into like the carpooling?
Honestly, you're probably fine here if you just like let off, like go a little slow.
Okay.
Create some room.
And put it in
It's
sport
up to
mode?
you. I mean, you can. It looks pretty clear actually.
Yeah, it looks really clear.
So yeah, I'll double click it and then put this over. And then just let it shift for you.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's up to you, but if you want to just like go raw, like how it pulls.
Yeah. Right here?
Yeah, so just hit it. Right where it's on.
Holy shit. Jeez. What? Yeah, if we put it in auto, it shifts like perfectly at almost like 7K.
Which is perfect, but the reality is the optimal shift point for this car is actually like somewhere between 6,300 and 6,500.
Oh really? Does the horsepower drop a little bit?
It doesn't really drop, but it just stays flat.
Gotcha, okay.
But you gain torque in the mid-range, and so it's like a take-give. So most people that roll race all the time say to shift around this like 63, 6,500 mark.
I see.